Hey there, Slayers. Mayor Slayer's back with another spook dose. Today, we'll be seeing disturbing footage caught by a doorbell camera that will keep you awake the whole night. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share with your friends. So let's dive in. Number 5. Break-in suspect. This clip shows a suspicious man slowly coming towards someone's door. Posted by YouTube channel WCVB Channel 5 Boston. This occurred in Atlantic Avenue on a Sunday night about 1:30 a.m. He appears very calm for what he's about to do. You can see him holding a phone and flashing its light. Seems like a normal guy, so he wouldn't want to break in, right? Not very sure about that. He could be a stalker. He bends to check if there's a key around there somewhere. The man keeps searching for something, and the rest is mystery. He cannot be seen entering, but he is the suspect of a break-in that happened around that time in the same house. But later, it was reported that the police had been asking around to help locate this man after this footage was sent to them. Hope they get him. How do you think this man must have gotten in? Did he finally find the key? Share your thoughts in the comments. Number 4. Doorbell Ghost. Up next is footage of a ghost captured in Vaughan, Ontario, Canada. Daily Mail posted this clip on YouTube on 16th of November 2018. When a ghost came to meet a resident at their front door. It's daytime, but something is going to turn it into a nightmare. This dark, shadowy figure is seen moving from one side to the other. Feels like an invisible person. On moving to the right, it disappears. This happens for a split second, and I don't know what to make of it. The homeowner thought it was a delivery guy she was waiting for. But did she get a visit from a spirit? She also added that when this happened, her dog started barking and ran towards the door. Some people think it's just a faulty camera, but there are no signs of a human resemblance to the shadow, while others believe it to be a paranormal activity. daylight? Or is it a new camera feature? Or just a glitch? Tell us what you think. Number 3. Shadow on the stairs. Another resident caught mysterious footage from the camera located in the back of his apartment building in Chicago, Illinois. The clip was posted on YouTube by Cater Clips on 23rd of July, 2019. The footage shows a cloudy, round figure moving upwards on the stairway. This would have been a horrifying moment if the owner was home. After checking his camera, he suspected it was dust or a web. But guess what? That wasn't the case. The building is also near the location of the Valentine's Day Massacre, a clash between two gangsters in Chicago, resulting in the murder of 7. Well, that gives more reason to believe this was a ghost encounter. What are your opinions about this creepy video? Is it an orb of dust or one of the victims from the massacre? Let us know in the comments section. Number 2. Zombie Visitor. Residents of Cincinnati, Ohio submitted this video of a stranger wiggling someone's doorknob to YouTube channel Doorbell News on the 31st of May, 2022.
My kids too. I love fucking respect, but get them up and get the fuck at you. I'm not fucking playing. Anybody else wants to get too crazy, just listen to Bill and fucking stupid Betty. Now they're good.
This will make you check your door twice at night. The clip shows a scary person covered in tattoos, eagerly trying to get into the house. But thankfully, the door is locked.
Motherfuckers, open the door. Here comes the cops. If they come over here, we're gonna have to that.
No one can be seen responding, so he moves away. Even doing so, his body language doesn't feel normal. That was weird. Stay safe, guys.
Both of you niggas.
Yeah. What was his intention? Didn't this guy look like a zombie? Leave comments down below.
Bitch.
Number 1. Clown Moment. Our next clip is from YouTube channel The Top School, posted on the 9th of September, 2017. This nighttime occurrence at a front door will leave you speechless and disturbed. The camera captured a creepy clown holding a balloon standing in a lawn. After a few moments, he is seen coming to the door and peeking into the camera. It's so bizarre to even think someone is capable of such a thing. We can't really tell what he wants. but he looks dangerous. The owner can be heard saying, "Go ahead." Some people think it's staged, but maybe the owners reported it to the police already. Whatever the reason, that's just a sinister thing to do. Was it a bizarre prank or staged by the owners? Let us know in the comments. That wraps today's video, folks. Let us know which one you like the most. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more chilling content.